Hey guys, welcome to my channel Cards and Stuffs. In this video, I'm gonna show you two easy and quick DIY last minute greeting cards. So let's get started. Take a white paper and fold it in half. Now take two strips of any pattern paper. I have cut these leaves out of green sheet. Now glue them as shown. Take a thread of your choice and make a bow out of it and then glue it as shown. Now write a message. You can write whatever message you like. Now to decorate, I'm going to make circles with black gel pen and then color it with some pencil colors or markers. So our card is ready. For the next card, take a white sheet and fold it in half. Take a small rectangle piece and divide it into 1 centimeter. Now take any marker or sketch pen and color it alternately as shown. Now place this on the middle of the card and mark the sides. Make leaves or any drawing around it. I have used colored pencil to make the leaves. Now I am pasting it with the help of double-sided tape to give it a little dimension. I have taken a paper circle and colored it with brown color, some leaves like before, and some other things to decorate. Now glue them as shown. Make a little dots with marker or a sketch to make it look more good. Now our card is ready.